Brilliant! Let's fix my profit. Great! Did you see this? The indicator is working very well. I truly believe that binary options are a source of income where you can make a steady profit every day. That is why I like this type of trading so much. I've invested 7 years of hard work into my trading skill, and now my overall win rate is 84.6%. However, once I was a complete beginner and lost a lot of time, energy, money, and I had no mentor, no expert from whom I could learn from, and at least slightly reduce my mistakes at the beginning of my journey. I managed to pass this path and downs and ups, and now I share my knowledge with you. In this video, you will learn how to make real money without risk, using profitable trading signals and step by step to find a reliable and stable source of profit. Hello my friends, this is Agatha with you. Over the last month, my YouTube channel about making money on binary options has been flooded with a wave of new subscribers. We are already more than 10,000 people here. I'm very grateful for your trust. We are like a crowded large stadium. Recently, one of the newbies asked me, Agatha, how do you find 100% trading signals from such a lot of data flow on charts that will bring profit day every day? Oh my God, friends, you break my heart with such questions. In fact, if you know me, you don't need to look for anything. You are already on my channel. Here, I'm constantly sharing profitable trading strategies that I have tested personally, that I trade and earn profits every day. I'm a practicing trader who only gives you information based on my own experience of 70 years. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell and carefully follow all the new videos on the channel. And if you are ready to move from theory to real trading with me using my signals, then subscribe to my Telegram channel by the link in the description under this video. There are already 13,000 people who trade with me 2 times a day and earn profit. This is free for now. By the way, any of you who want to start trading and earning profit can message me on Telegram and I will send you my free training. I've created a step-by-step instruction for beginners that will help you get started in trading and learn how to make profits. Now, let's go to the point. In this video, I will explain in detail how an inexperienced trader or a beginner can make his or her own zero-loss trading strategy to make money on binary options and find 100% profitable signals for trades. Take a look. Today we will need 3 currency pairs: Australian dollar and Swiss franc and Japanese yen, the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar. Once again, I'm using pairs without the USA dollar. They are optimal for beginners as the price movements on them are less active and therefore the prices are easier to predict. This is important. You can also try trading on these pairs. We will take CCI and volume oscillator as indicators. Never neglect indicators. They are some kind of clues for us, traders. It is ability to read indicators and predict price behavior on the chart based on them that allows traders to make profitable trades. So, as for the volume oscillator, I most often use it in combination with other indicators, as it's very difficult to determine the exact price movement on the chart using it alone. Never forget to evaluate multiply indicators when looking for trade entry points. The second indicator is called CCI. We will need it for a more volatile price chart when the price jumps sharply. Volume oscillator is suitable for a more stable and long price trend movement. The strategy of using the CCI indicator is designed to search for buy or sell signals when the indicator breaks the levels. Now we will understand it by examples, where I will enter trades at once and show you everything visually. So let's open the trading pair of Australian dollar and Swiss franc and start analyzing. We can see that the price chart has recently smoothly risen to a certain level and then dropped by one candle. Therefore, we turn to the CCI indicator, which tells us that after such a change, the chart will go up, trying to achieve a stable increase. The volume oscillator also confirms it, so we open a call trade and wait for the result. Yep, we have $66 in our account. Notice how simple it is. You don't need to keep 1,000 factors in your head and risk serious amounts. Repeat the signals you see in my Telegram channel and you're already on the plus side. So now let's keep going. We change the currency pair, open the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen, and look at the chart. Note that recently there was an increase in price and now there is a fall. This means that we should use the volume oscillator indicator and wait for the first signals of price growth. We open a trade at the first sign of growth. Bingo! We made a call trade and we are back on the plus side. We have $124 on our balance. Don't stop, let's go further. Let's change the currency pair again. Now we have the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar in front of us. Let's pay attention to the chart. At first glance, this may be an unstable chart, but not for us. We see a stable fallout of 1-2 put candles for every 1-2 call candles. So let's pay attention to the CCI indicator. We see that it crosses the lower boundary, which means that it's a signal to open a put option. This is how we do it, baby. Here is another great deal, $232 on the balance. See how easy it is? I adore trading on binary options. I show you how to properly look for signals for trades, and you can also just repeat after me and make money. Hi friends, does anyone feel empowered to make really big money yet? Then welcome to my Telegram channel with a deeper dive into the topic. I will personally show all its participants which trades to enter, which indicators to use, and which buttons to press. Let me be your guide to binary options trading and bring you profit. 70,000 people have already appreciated the quality of my mentoring. What are you waiting for? You can find a link in the description below this video. So let's continue our trading session and open the first trading pair. We see a very stable price drop with gains up to a certain level. So let's not invent anything and just use the volume oscillator indicator. After the next price drop, we take a call option and wait for our money. Excellent! The indicator is working very well. We already have $438 on our balance. Hey, who is so good at reading charts? All my signals are working and I'm sure that 100% correct. I tell you in each of my videos how I find them on the charts. In the meantime, let's go back to the second trading pair. Here we can notice how our chart is moving steadily downwards. How can we find a signal to open and trade in this situation? Let's observe the CCI indicator. We can see that the indicator is below the -100 mark, which is usually an indicator of a bearish trend. However, now the indicator is moving up towards this boundary. This is a buy signal. It also makes sense to use the volume oscillator indicator, and we open a call trade at the first signals of price growth. Great! Did you see this? It was a great signal and of course I'm in the plus, and look at my balance. We get $815 in our account. Let's be not holding back and keep going. The pair of New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar is next. Here we see the alternation of price growth and decline. The chart isn't flat. So let's turn to the CCI indicator and see that we need to open a put option based on the downward movement of the indicator. Wonderful! We have $1,540 in our account. Let's move on. I propose to make one more trade and this is the end of our trading session. What do we have on the next currency pair? We can observe a stable price decline. Look, the drops are insignificant for now, which means we have time to analyze. We can see that the CCI indicator has crossed the lower mark again. This means that the market is in a downtrend. Let's take advantage of this factor. We open a put option. Brilliant! Let's fix my profit! Today I made $2,413. Just watch and do as I did, so that your balance will also grow by a couple thousands in 10-15 minutes. It's a tempting process, isn't it? If you can't wait to learn in detail how to earn several $1,000s a day on binary options, follow the link below the video to the Telegram channel. Be sure to contact me in private messages. I will send each of you a step-by-step training on how to trade binary options, how to use the Quotex platform, and other details. I will tell you and show you everything down to the smallest detail. You will be able to simply repeat trades after me and get exactly the same results. You will see for yourself that everything is actually much easier than it seems at first glance. You can start with no experience at all, because I myself will personally pass on my experience to you. My win rate is 84.6%, and here is the history of my recent sessions. Binary options are a market where everyone can achieve a stable income. This is also confirmed by other subscribers of my Telegram. Take a look at the results they share with me. You will be able to do the same, so don't waste your time. I'm waiting for your messages on Telegram. So, I've just given you free information that will help you achieve a win rate as good as mine. That's why it means to love what you do. I'm sure you love me too and will thank me with a like. Be sure to click on the bell so you don't miss more cool videos. Thanks to everyone who leaves comments. It inspires me to make more helpful videos for you. I'm going to go read them and think about the next topic. See you all soon. Bye!